Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter lip balm at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of beeswax pellets. Also, have a small heat-safe container and several empty lip balm tubes ready. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you have all you need before starting. Next, it's time to melt your ingredients. Combine the shea butter, coconut oil, and beeswax pellets in your heat-safe container. Place this container over a double boiler, ensuring the water in the bottom pot is simmering gently, not boiling. Stir the mixture continuously until all the ingredients have completely melted and are well combined into a smooth liquid. This gentle heat helps preserve the beneficial properties. Once your mixture is fully melted, carefully remove it from the heat. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite essential oil for scent and flavor. Stir in about 5 to 10 drops of an essential oil like peppermint or lavender. Then, carefully pour the warm liquid into your empty lip balm tubes. Work quickly but precisely to avoid spills and ensure even filling. Finally, let your homemade lip balm cool and set. Allow the filled tubes to sit undisturbed at room temperature for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour, or until they are completely solid. For faster setting, you can place them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Once firm, cap your lip balms. Store them in a cool, dry place and enjoy your natural, moisturizing creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.